In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly attach an image to Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a photo to your conversation so the model can analyze what it sees and respond in context. This is great for getting explanations of charts, identifying elements in a scene, or asking detailed questions about a screenshot or document image you already have on your device. First, open your Grok account. Launch Grok in your browser or the app, sign in and make sure you're in the main chat area where you can type a message. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the buttons appear. It helps to have the image you plan to use saved and easy to find on your computer or phone. If it contains private or sensitive details, consider cropping or masking them beforehand. Keeping your connection stable and the page up to date ensures the upload goes smoothly. Next, find and click the Attach Files option in the message area. This is typically represented by a paperclip icon near the text box. Clicking it opens the file chooser so you can add content to your message. If your interface offers different categories, choose the photos so you're viewing your image library rather than documents or other file types. Most common formats like JPG and PNG are supported, and smaller files tend to upload faster. Now, locate your photo, navigate to the folder where it's stored, select the image you want, and confirm your choice. You should see a small thumbnail or file name appear in the chat composer, indicating that the image is attached and ready to go. Double-check that you picked the correct file before continuing. If you change your mind, you can simply choose a different photo from the same chooser and the new selection will replace it. Finally, enter your prompts regarding this image. Be specific about what you want to learn or achieve. For example, you might say, describe the key features in this photo, summarize the data trends in this chart, or compare the two design options shown and suggest improvements. Adding context, such as the purpose of the image or what decision you're trying to make, helps Grok provide more accurate and useful answers. If there's a particular section you want analyzed, reference it clearly, like focus on the upper right panel, or explain the legend at the bottom. That's all there is to it. Open your Grok account, click, attach files, choose photos, select your image, and enter your prompts. With these steps, you can quickly put visual context into your conversations and get richer, more targeted responses.